Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in teaching or you are a certified teacher, then this website I'm going to show you is your go-to. This one connects you with employers all over the world. Believe me, countries all over the world are looking for English and maths teachers. So if you're interested in teaching and making up to $5,000 a month, then you want to watch this video. Also, if you're interested in moving abroad, some jobs offer visa sponsorship. So you want to watch this video. You don't want to miss it. And this is not the time to click away. This website connects you with real employers. It's not just your regular teaching website. No, it connects you with real employers who are looking for real people to connect and establish a relationship with children, with students. All right. So you can teach from any location, whether you're in Nigeria, Ghana, or any part of the world. You can teach, and you can select any country of your choice. If you want to teach in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, the USA, Japan, Korea, China, Middle East, you can teach any location of your choice, and also with the potential of moving if you're interested in moving abroad. And talking about moving abroad, I know we don't talk about it on this channel, but I do have another channel where I talk about how to relocate abroad. I share amazing videos there. You can go and follow me and subscribe to that channel. I'll link it in this video in the descriptions so that you can go check it out and see if anything works out for you over there. However, this one I'm talking about today offers visa sponsorship. So you're not just teaching and getting paid. You can also relocate abroad with your family if you're interested in relocating abroad. So if this interests you, stay till the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video as it will help me to keep making videos like this and share with friends or family. All right, let's dive in. So the name of the website is teachaway.com. Go to Google, search teachaway.com. all right, discover where teaching abroad can take you. Your dream teaching job is out there and they are here to help you. So they have international and online teaching jobs right here. If you want to teach abroad, if you want to teach online, then good. So how you're going to go about it is to create your account, create your profile with what makes you unique, build your personal profile and tell them everything they need to know to help kickstart your teaching adventure. Find your dream job, find the position teaching English abroad, or land an international teaching job at a leading international school and explore a new country. You earn your certification, stand out from the competition. They can also help you earn this certification. You can enroll, right? And then you get ready to start teaching. They can help you connect with some of the best international schools and find hundreds of ESL opportunities around the globe. So they have various locations in China, Basis International Schools. These ones are looking for. They have 68 jobs with 68 vacancies. They also have 68 vacancies right now. This one is in UAE. They have 14 jobs with 18 vacancies. This one is Preply for those who want to teach online, and they have about 3,000 vacancies. This one is Nova, various locations in Japan, 40 vacancies. It's still ongoing. This one is also in Tokyo, Japan, Amity, 20 vacancies. And this one is in Etihad, 10 vacancies. It's in UAE. This one is in China, 68. Yeah. So you can go check them out. So you can teach overseas, find the best jobs for teaching overseas. Where you are a certified teacher, ESL instructor, or a college graduate, you can apply for incredible teaching job abroad here. You search for jobs overseas. Teach online, teach from the comfort of your own home, wherever you are in the world. You can teach online and you can get your certifications. Yeah, enroll in the program. They partner with world-class companies like Amity, Bloom.Education, Ecolint, Little Fox, and more. Even Preply is also here. To get started, sign up. and start searching for. I'm searching for overseas jobs right here. So you have all countries and positions. You can start searching. So you can start searching. They have hundreds of teaching jobs abroad, including opportunities with international schools, government programs, universities, and language colleges in over 40 countries. So if if employers are looking to hire, they will connect with them and then they will hire you. All right. So these ones are featured programs. You can search for them. These are online teaching jobs here. These are featured jobs here. ELA teacher, Belgian, English teacher, classroom teacher, EYFS teacher, IB librarian teacher, elementary homeroom teacher, English language and literature, immediate hiring. You need a license, inclusion teacher, secondary school interventionist, US social studies teacher, art teacher, social studies teacher, and more. So you check them out. So you can search by country. Let's say you search for Australia here, Australia, and then you select any position of your choice. They have certified teachers, college and university, ESL teaching, preschool and early childhood, principal and admin, depending on the one you want to choose. So I'll choose preschool and early childhood and search. So they currently have online jobs. So you can start teaching online for a start for Australia and come back later, check for USA. Which one do you want to choose? Teaching jobs for US licensed teachers in America. Search and apply for teaching jobs in public and private schools from New York to Los Angeles. So choose whichever one you want to choose. And you have 4 vacancies: elementary teacher, you have online English teacher, you have professional English teacher, you have online English teacher for this one. So if I go for this one, elementary teacher, you view the job. It's in Alaska. So it says Lower Kuskokwim School District in Alaska West, USA. Salary is $4,974 to $8,560 US monthly. Housing in villages is assigned and subsidized. Better housing is the responsibility of the employee. Annual round-trip airfare from work site. Start date is October. Alright, but the job is still ongoing. The job offer is still on. The contract is 1 year. Number of vacancies: 4. Early childhood, elementary, middle school, university graduate licensed teacher. And school requirement is you need to have a bachelor's degree. You need to be education. Your major needs to be in education, and you need teaching credentials license and work visa eligibility, United States. Annual round trip airfare from work site. An exciting place to learn, a rewarding. So you check it out. You can go for online ones. We are looking at online for those that are outside. You need websites that can be able to pay you money into your account, in Nigeria, because most of you back home don't have a PayPal account. If you're looking for these jobs like the surveys and all those other kind of online side hustles, you don't know how to cash out because you do not have a PayPal account. So you need to go for jobs that can actually pay you into your direct bank account. So go for online jobs like this. All right, register, sign up on this website, start applying for jobs if you really want to make money this year, 2020. If you really want to make money this year and next year, 2026. So check them out. Let me check this one, Basic International School in China. So they're looking for kindergarten teacher, humanities teacher. These ones are physical. You need to be there physically, but you need to be licensed. Okay, this one comes with paid travel to and from China at the start and end of your contract, plus an annual travel allowance, and they'll provide you with furnished accommodation or a housing allowance. The start date is July 2026. Okay, you need a bachelor's degree, you need to be a university graduate, you need to have 2 years of experience in teaching. You can read other details what they offer: competitive salary, global health coverage, housing provided, travel benefits to and from China at the start and the end of your contract, relocation support, that's moving allowance and comprehensive assistance with visa, work permit and residence permit arrangement, preschool meals, say goodbye to meal planning, career growth opportunities, saving potentials, maximize your earnings with their comprehensive benefits. Full basic tuition waiver, enroll up to 2 school-aged children per teacher or up to 3 children per teaching couple with free tuition. So you can move with your family if you want to. Yeah, this one is good as well for those that want to move their family. So I thought to share with you guys. The name again is teachaway.com. Go there and search for jobs and apply. So you just want to click on apply. You put in your first name, last name, email address, password, and where you would want to teach, which is in China. Then they will send, then you click on this and sign up. Then they will send you all the details if you're chosen. Okay, it's straightforward. It's located in China for this one. Yeah, so you can do that for other jobs. Apply for online and physical so that anyone that comes up, you take it and go. Thank you so much, everyone. Let me know your thoughts if you're going to apply for this one. Yes, this is really good for those who love teaching and want to move with their family. So I said, let me share this with you people because I know that you have been finding it hard to cash out on surveys. This one is legit, and if you qualified, you are going to make a lot of money. You can even travel abroad from this one. Let me know your thoughts. If you try it and it works for you, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to share with friends and family. You never can tell, your wife or your brother might be the one to go and then bring you later. All right. And if you're a new subscriber, drop first timer and then I'll welcome you to the family. Thank you, besties, for what. If you want more videos like this, drop it in the comment. Then I will bring more videos like this your way. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.